Alright, so this is turning into a how to do bottoms up press video. So what I'm going to do, one of the best ways to practice bottom up presses is to practice bottom up clean. Because you shouldn't really try and press your kettlebell in whether it's the regular way or the bottoms up way unless you can clean it efficiently. So let's practice. I'm going to just clean first. Now look at this from the side. It's a little different than a regular clean. So what you saw, hopefully, is that unlike a clean where maybe I'm out here and cleaning the normal way, for a bottoms up clean, everything stays in tight, and it's mostly elbow bringing it right up beside me. So watch one more time. So the other key to this that may not be obvious at all just watching it is that I'm using my obliques, my glutes are tightened, my rectus is connected, everything is packed. So I've really got a foundation in here for this kettlebell to be sitting with its bottom up, okay? So what you want to do is from that position then, you connect it all the way from the mid-foot, driving right up through a good strong straight leg drive and hip connection, then connect it all the way through the body, the torso. Finally, you just press straight up and then pull it back down. You notice I do a slight rotation sometimes, just rotating a little bit and then pull it back down. So let's see how I do that from the beginning in a standing bottoms up press. Now the next thing you want to do is take your kettlebell for a walk, just like your dog. Keeping a nice good connection all the way through. And just like your dog, it's going to strain at the leash. It's going to want to go left, right. So that's the next step. You take it for a walk. So after taking your kettlebell for a walk, next thing is take it for a lunge. Now trust me, taking it for a lunging walk is a different phenomena. So let's take a look at how that plays out. So you've got just doing the clean, standing clean, bottoms up. Then you're going to hold it in that racked position, take it for a walk. Once you've got that down, you're going to keep it in that racked position, take it for a lunging walk. From there, practice standing and do the press. Practice it back and forth. Then the next thing to do is what? Watch this. So, you've done your walking, you've done your lunging, you're really used to holding it in the rack position. get your press. Now once you're used to having your presses, look forward and take it for a walk. Now that is much harder than walking it in the racked position. But that's no problem. If it's up here and you start to lose it, just jump, bring it down safely, switch hands, explore the other hand, wait, practice it again another day. The bottom line is play hard, but play smart.